Hey family, welcome to this amazing channel. It's Jux254 and guys, hope you are fine and you are doing good. It's another day with another vlog here. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending wherever you are watching this amazing video. Here in East Africa, Kenya, it's 9 a.m. It's a Sunday, a good Sunday, chilling Sunday that God has give us, and I thank God, and I am not taking it to of granted. Yeah, I'm at home doing some 1-2. Supposed to take this advantage to do a morning vlog that comes directly from home. As you can see here, I'm at the back side of our home. This is the back side. This is the back side, and the way that comes down here or back side is here. From there coming back here is the back side, guys. Hope you are doing well wherever you are, and let us know where you are watching this video from. If you are coming from any particular country, let's know in the comment section, and I would appreciate, guys. These are cassavas, as you can see. These are cassavas, guys, as you can see. They grow tall, as you can see. They grow tall. Cassava inside, and something that is wonderful. This cassava, they can grow like it can take here. There's types of cassavas here. One like this, it can take like 1 year to be ready, or there is another one that takes for some months, like 6 months. Others, they can take like 2 years. So there are types of cassavas, and they make a good food like ugali, brown ugali. When you find a brown ugali with meat or fish, it's slap, guys, I'm telling you. But there's some vegetable that cannot slap with the brown ugali of cassava. There are specific one to, they go well. As you can see here, it has grown up to house. See, from there, imagine, guys. Amazing. This is the old beds that we put here because of bed bugs for our children. Bed bugs were too much, so they decided to put it here to stay. At least the bed bug can go, they can disappear. And guys, we have another one here, which is a vegetable, but I don't know the name of this vegetable. Maybe you can tell me down the comment section, but I know the name of local. It's good. This is the vegetable. When it's grow young, it looks like this. When it's grow big, it's like this. Guys, if you know the name of this vegetable, you can tell us down in the comment section. We have a lot. As you can see, we have this, we have that. In this place, we have cut a small piece of land that we plant vegetable for. At least we don't buy everything in the market. At least we can create our own vegetable, as you can see here, that I've shown you another one there. You can tell us down the comment section the name of that vegetable. And we have here another one is sukuma, onions with small ones. This is how it looks. Even them, they grow tall, as you can see. Sorry guys, I was recording and someone was calling. Sorry for interaction. I was showing you these are sukuma, and it's good. We have some onions here. We have transplanted another one. So this is a small piece of land that we have cut to do plantation here. Yep. See, they have harvested here a banana. They have harvested here a banana, as you can see. They have already cut it down. This is how it looks when it's harvested. And we have sorghum here. This is sorghum. This is how it looks. And this is the small ones that grows. That's a small place that we have planted some vegetable up to there, and the home is there. Let's proceed. And that's how I'm showing you the way things they are. Something that I have discovered from our this farm is that there is some of vegetable that I don't know the names, but I eat for several times. But the name in English I don't know, but in local I know. Yeah, like example of that vegetable, let me show you. Like this one. I don't know the name, but mostly when they cook at home, I usually eat. This is it. Yep. And then we have bananas here. Bananas are like 50% in this farm. They are they are 50%. They are more, and most of them they have a banana. There are some that has already, and there is some of them they are young like this. They are young. It's young. It's not ready for harvesting. This one is not ready, but after 3 weeks it will be ready. And let me show you the banana that it's ready for harvesting. This one now it's ready for harvesting. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, give a video a like, subscribe, reload to 1000 subscriber. And guys, we grow by lifting others. When you subscribe at the channel, you mean a lot to me. You support me by subscribing, and I appreciate more and more, because without you I will not be like doing like this video, because you are the one who giving me motivation to do the video. When I see the channel it's growing, and commenting down the comment section to know what can I supposed to do to do a nice one video, because we are not perfect. By commenting down, you say, hey Jukes, This and this you can put something, this kind of a plant like in your farm is good, and that's how we motivate each other, guys. So if you watch this video, please subscribe to the channel. Load to 1000 subscriber, because I'm almost, and let's chase when we start chasing the watching hours to 4000 watching hours, guys. I know as we are a family, for sure we are family. We support each other, guys. We grow by lifting others, and I do an amazing vlog of the village, and I love you so much, all of you, wherever you are. Let's proceed. I was showing you the maize, the stage of maize when we were putting the top dressing, but they didn't do well as it was supposed to do, but because of a sunlight that hits the ground, but they are, at least now they are doing good. Let me show you. That's the maize. Like 2 or 3 months they will be ready for harvesting. Yep. And this is the amtaro. I don't know how can I call it, that passes water from up there and go that way and go down there. Yep. That's how things they are. As you can see, the farm is built. We have already weeded it, and it looks good. Yep. We have pears here, but for now they are no longer there. We have pears. This is the frame of the frame that we were removed from here. We demolished the outside toilet. We are supposed to renovate it because it looks ugly. As you can see, the toilet looks very ugly. Very ugly, for sure. But I hope one day I will. It's a matter of small issues like finance, but one day I will just do a better latrine for my grandmother, because as I'm the grandchildren of my grandmother. I will do for him a better latrine, because it looks very bad. As you can see, it's not good for all. Even if you have visitors, they will wonder what kind of latrine is that. But anyway, things are going slowly. Yep. I see my grandmother has already planted the cassavas. He has already put it in the soil. This is how they plant. Yep. So guys, watch the video till the end. Share the video to the friends, guardian, family. Give a video a like, and support the road to 1000 subscriber and 4000 watching hours. Thank you guys. I appreciate for the returning subscriber. Thank you guys. I love you so much.